embed your Power BI presentations into your PowerPoint. This is good news for all those who have been waiting for this update. I'm going to show you in this video how to embed your Power BI presentations in your PowerPoint. Perhaps you have weekly briefs and you want to embed it in your PowerPoint presentation and have that interactivity. We've been waiting for this for so long, and today we have that preview and it can be used on the PowerPoint online. I tried with the PowerPoint desktop. It was not giving me the best output, but we hope it would be improved by close of day or in the subsequent months. But this is how you embed Power BI into your PowerPoint. First is to go to Insert and then go to Add-ins. When you go to Add-ins, go to your store and look for not by popularity, but by release date. And you will see that Power BI is there. You add it, and there is some license terms and policies. You continue. You then have a pop-up window that shows you to paste your report page URL here. So I'm going to paste my report URL page URL here. So I have this report that I showed some time ago. I copy it and then I come here, I paste it, and then I insert. So what will happen is that now my PowerPoint, my Power BI report, which is in Power BI, can now be viewed in PowerPoint. Isn't that cool? That's what we've been looking for. And this is a great game changer in the Power BI series. And you can see the HIV and TB prevalent rate. The beauty about this is that you can even, when you click here, you can even refresh for the latest data from Power BI. So I can actually present from the beginning in the presenter mode, which we are all familiar with, especially PowerPoint users. It's also clear. There is tips from Power BI. I mean, this is fascinating. So I'm going to the presenter mode so that I can probably have a full screen and then view it for presentation modes. So this is a very cool feature. It's blocks. Let me just allow it. Coming from Microsoft, and we can only hope for greater updates from henceforth. My name is Ebenezer Sarfo. I'm a partner at Eureka Business Intelligence. And Eureka Business Intelligence is specialized in helping businesses see clarity through insight. So this is it. It's loading. And then you realize that we can now view the same report in PowerPoint. Isn't this lovely? And I hope you can also try it now. So it's very interactive, just like what our Power BI would give us. So I can look at it in terms of Africa, but basically this is what it's about. So when I click on Africa, I have Africa being shown. When I click on Asia, sure it's still loading. Yes. So that is it. Check it out and give me your feedback.